And at this point, what you want to do is we want to take the toothpick and just make some lines, and then make smaller ones in between there. Okay, so where the seeds would be in the center. This is where our tip 5 comes in handy. And all you have to do is just make little impressions with this. And that's just a quick way of doing some seeds. And now we're ready to color this. So I could take the same paper towel here, has our other items on it. Lift this over, and I'll use this little spot here that doesn't have the green powder on it. Always wrap up your excess fondant. Okay, now I'm using it's called a Buttercup Yellow and a Salmon Luster Dust. Now the Luster Dust has a little bit of shimmer to it. The Buttercup is just a matte dusting color, powder. And take the yellow first. Remember to use the lid if you need to dip it in the lid. And just dust right in the center. Now what I want to do is take another brush, and with the salmon, around the sides there, because what it does, it helps. Don't worry, we also want to go ahead and get it. If I didn't get it on this outside here, that red would kind of stick out like a sore thumb, and we really don't want that. Okay, and there's our tomato. Just kind of brush off that excess dust. And what we can do is, you're only going to see part of the tomato sticking out. So what you can do is actually just go ahead and we'll use this line where the seam is, and we'll just go ahead and cut that in half. So you get the idea. Say this was the burger, like top bun, bottom bun, we'll stick it in kind of like this, coming out. You could always have a couple on the side. You keep a couple whole if you'd like and have them on the side. So we'll go ahead and set that aside. And we are ready to move on to our onions. See if I can do this without spilling this. Alrighty. Now, onions, white, usually white, maybe a slight brown. If you wanted to do the red onions, then you'd need maybe some kind of a purple luster or powder dust.